Hello everyone. Let me introduce you product from us. Here is our it's cars. Okay, focus on the parts. Okay, so stop solenoid from us. You can see it's a yellow. Okay, you can feel the quality. Yeah, we have 3-month warranty for our parts. So you can see the plug. Yeah, it feels nice. Okay, shiny and well made with great quality. You can see. Okay. Yeah, it's a silk print. Mottrol is our company name. Okay. Let me show you the part number first. 1503ES 12 ICE 5S USC UC 12 ICE. Yeah, please check that. The voltage is 12. Yeah, 12 voltage. You can see it's nice. And it's our name. Business card. I will print. Yeah, the QR. The QR code is for our website. So I will link it below the description and show you the QR code downstairs. Okay. Yeah, it supplies various aftermarket replace parts for excavators. Other things. Okay. They check with plug. Make sure it's the one you need. Okay. The big plug. I will show you the measurement of the solenoid. Okay, let me show you the measurement. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 4. Yeah. 2.5 inches. You can see that it's about 0.5 inches. It's about about 12 millimeter. Yeah, about 12 millimeter. 12. No, not 12. Maybe 14 millimeter. Okay. Let's measure. Oops. Measure. So let's measure the 2 holes. Check the distance between 2 holes at 1 inch. You can see almost 2 inches. Okay. Middle of the 2 holes, maybe 2 inches. Yeah, See that? Let's measure the hole. Okay. Could you see that?
你当时选的是 e-commerce 还是 marketplace？
Okay, the distance between the house is 4 millimeter.
你当时应
Okay, it's 4.65. Yeah, I'm sure. 65. And how you can see it's 0.6.
那也有可能呢，这不奇怪的，它也
And it fits for those engine and excavator model. Actually, you can check it on our website, MottrolUSA.com, and search M810324. Yeah, the price is much lower than on eBay or Amazon. We have Amazon. Yeah, it's eBay. How about that? No. I will put the link down in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.